add a new task to the job, click the icon on the left. This will allow you to select a site task or an equipment task. For a site task, this will raise a task for the site with no specific equipment. For an equipment task, choose an equipment item or a service from the list. Each task will be added as a line, and the details can be edited as required for agreed visit dates and times, cost codes, estimated hours and people required. You can then add an engineer to the task. If the job has already been scheduled or issued, this can be the same engineer who is already carrying out additional tasks on the job, or you can add a different engineer. Add the engineer from the list, and then in the bottom left corner, you can choose to issue the task to the engineer or reserve it. The engineer will only receive the job when it is issued. If you reserve the engineer, the job will not be issued to their mobile device. If you don't select an engineer when raising the new task, the job status will show as unissued. This is because the new task has not yet been issued to an engineer. To add an engineer, select the task in the Overview tab and expand the task window. Here you can select an engineer and then you can issue the job using the button on the left. This will send the job directly to the engineer's mobile device. Once the engineer is added, click to issue the job, and you can see that the job is now in the issued state. If you create a new task within a job and you don't issue it to an engineer immediately, the job state will revert to unissued, even if the original tasks on the job have already been issued to an engineer. You will also see an information icon in the action tray that alerts you to this. It will tell you how many tasks within the job remain unissued. To issue the remaining tasks, expand the Tasks panel. Here you can check each task to see if an engineer has been assigned. If no engineer is assigned, click on Edit, add the engineer and save. Repeat this for every unissued task, and then click the Issue Job option on the left to send the job to the engineer's mobile device. The job state will then be updated to issued.